Welcome to today's episode, where we dive into the world of productivity with a focus on an exciting tool called FlashSpace. If you've ever felt bogged down by your virtual workspace or found switching between apps frustrating, you're in for a treat. Today, we're uncovering how FlashSpace, a fast and innovative virtual workspace manager for macOS, can transform the way you work. So let's start by breaking down what FlashSpace actually is. FlashSpace is designed to enhance your experience with macOS spaces, letting you switch between multiple workspaces at lightning speed. And trust me, nobody enjoys those frustrating waiting times for animations, right? With FlashSpace, that's a thing of the past. Imagine you're juggling several projects at once. You could set up dedicated workspaces for each project and assign specific apps to those spaces. What does that look like in practice? Well, let's say you have 3 workspaces. You can simply switch between them using customizable hotkeys, and when you do, the apps assigned to that workspace pop into view, while other irrelevant apps reactively disappear. It's like having a personal assistant that organizes your digital space for you without making a fuss. Let's talk about some of the standout features. One of the core functionalities is support for multiple displays. Whether you're working from a laptop with an external monitor or a dual monitor setup, FlashSpace helps you manage each display independently. You could be in a meeting on one screen while conducting research on another, all seamlessly. And focus is the name of the game here too. There's an intuitive focus manager that allows you to quickly juggle your attention between different windows. You can easily shift focus in any direction or jump between displays with hotkeys. Very handy when you need to stay productive without getting sidetracked. Now you may wonder, what about window management? Well, FlashSpace takes a different approach. It doesn't manage them. Instead, if an unassigned app pops up, it stays on top rather than messing with your workspace setup. This means you have quick access to whatever you might need without glitches. It's like being in the driver's seat, with everything at your fingertips, but without the distractions. What's even cooler is that it integrates with tools like SketchyBar. You can set it up to display your active workspace in the menu bar, so you're always reminded of where you're focusing your efforts. Let's not forget the installation process is also designed with usability in mind. Whether you're using a pre-built binary or building from source, the steps are streamlined. If you're a bit geeky and love tinkering, FlashSpace allows you to dive deep into its configurability. So, to wrap things up, what can we take away from today's conversation? FlashSpace epitomizes simplicity, speed, and performance. It allows us to work smarter by reducing distractions and helping us focus on what really matters, all while being user-friendly. But before we end, let me leave you with a question to ponder. How do you currently manage your digital workspace, and could an application like FlashSpace make a difference in your daily productivity? Think about it and perhaps give FlashSpace a try. Thanks for tuning in to this episode. We hope you found it enlightening and are inspired to enhance your productivity tools. Until next time, keep optimizing your workflows.